किट विश्वविद्यालय रे ओडिशा इकोनॉमिक एसोसिएशन रो 58तम वार्षिक सम्मेलन उद्घाटित। सम्मेलन विषय वस्तु रही भारत और विश्व वाणिज्य सामग्री चुक्तिनामा और नीति। किट स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एंड कॉमर्स सहयोग रे 2 दिन धरी चलिबो एही सम्मेलन। कार्यक्रम रे मुख्य अतिथि भावे ख्याति संपन्न अर्थनीति विशारद प्रोफेसर दीपक नायर जोगदे नियुक्तिर सृष्टि बढ़िले ही अर्थनीतिर अभिवृद्धि हेबो बोली कहिथिले। किट और किस भली अनुष्ठान सशक्त अर्थनीतिर उत्तम उदाहरण बोली निज वक्तव्य कहिथिले। अन्यतम अतिथि किट विश्वविद्यालय कुलसचिव प्रोफेसर ज्ञानरंजन महांती, प्रोफेसर सुकांत चंद्र स्वाई, ओडिशा इकोनॉमिक एसोसिएशन सभापति प्रोफेसर जगन्नाथ लेंका, संपादक डॉक्टर हिमांशु शेखर राउत और किट विश्वविद्यालय अध्यापक डॉक्टर शाश्वत किशोर मिश्र प्रमुख मध्य एथिरे जोगदे अर्थनीति तथा विषय वस्तु पर अधिक आलोचना करथिले।
I think it has been an honor and a privilege to come to Bhubaneswar for this 58th annual conference of the Odisha Economic Association. I have come back to Odisha after more than a decade, and it is so nice to see that there is a commitment to the profession of economics, to the cause of higher education that exists in Odisha. You know, the message of my inaugural address was simple, that employment matters, that there is no trade-off between economic growth and employment creation. Jobs drive growth and growth creates jobs. The message for young scholars and researchers is to think differently.
Odisha Economics Association conference starts from today and it will continue for tomorrow also. So this is the legacy of the Odisha Economics Association to organize seminars, workshops, training programs and an annual conference. So we have two broad topics, India and the world trade and the circular economy of Odisha. We have invited the research scholars, the panel discussions to deliberate for 2 days. And we hope that the outcome of this conference will help policymakers, planners, academics and research scholars. And that is what is the purpose of this conference. And we are hopeful that it will become a grand success.
50th annual conference of Odisha Economic Association जोटा कि आमर स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स एंड कॉमर्स साथ कोलाबोरेशन करिकी Odisha Economics Association आज ये conference and this is very prestigious conference because 58th edition of any conference which is very prestigious and important where the participants across India and few also from foreign countries have joined and their papers accepted for public presentation and publication in this conference. And the theme is very important based upon the global trading and the circular economy in the context of Odisha. से भावुची जे आमर सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी इन द कंटेक्स्ट ओडिशा रे जो पेपर सब पब्लिश हवा पेपर आज प्रेजेंटेड हबो ये जो 2 दिन भितरे